They're off in the Belmont Derby Invitational, and Rafael Bejarano sends Bolo to the front. Granny's Kitten goes with Bolo early, and Startup Nation is close to the pace, running in third between those two as they make their move for that first turn, then force the pass to the inside. They're being followed by Postulation, who races to the outside of Closing Bell, and Takeover Target, who's down toward the rail. And then it's Candal, and last of them all is Divisi Darrow, who is 7 lengths off of Bolo as the field makes their way around the first turn in 24 2/5 seconds. Bolo is the leader by a length and a half as they move to the backstretch. Granny's Kitten on the outside forced the pass down at the rail, running in third by another 2. And then it's Startup Nation alongside of Takeover Target. They're right together. 2 lengths to Postulation. In between horses, Closing Bell, Candal on the inside. And Divisi Darrow is last, but it's a slow pace up front. They went 50-1 for the first half mile. So it's Bolo who heads them up the backstretch, 3/4 of a length ahead of Granny's Kitten. And then comes Force the Pass, who's third and racing right at the hedge. Takeover Target and Startup Nation are 3.5 lengths off the lead, and they're joined by Candal on the inside. Postulation's got 5.5 lengths to make up, and then it's Divisi Darrow beginning to gain ground outside of Closing Bell. Bolo has run 3/4 in 1:15-1 and runs into the far turn in front. The rails open for Force the Pass, and Force the Pass and Joel Rosario come on through, and they take the lead from Bolo on the far turn. Granny's Kitten is third to the outside. Extreme outside, Startup Nation is next. It's a wide run for Divisi Darrow. He's got Force the Pass to catch as they turn for home. Force the Pass coming into the final furlong in front. Candal is 2 lengths behind in second, and then it's Granny's Kitten, and then comes Startup Nation. Not today for Divisi Darrow. It is Force the Pass. Oh, he is running away from the field. Force the Pass in the Belmont Derby. He won it by 5 over Candal, and then it was Startup Nation and Closing Bell.